Hey everyone, in this video, I'm going to walk you through on how to log into Lowe's. It's a very quick and simple step. Without any further ado, let's dive right in. First thing first, open up your preferred web browser, and at the very top you can see a search bar. Let's tap into that and let's type in Lowe's work login since we are going to log in, and hit enter. Now make sure you tap into the official site, which is this one. May take some time depending. Okay, now there we go. You might want to zoom in a little bit, and there you can see it's asking for your sales number and a password. Let's tap in our sales number. It could be anything. I'm tapping like a random number over here, but I'm hoping you have your sales number since you have an account. And your password, and that's it. All you gotta do is tap into that blue button that says log in, and you'll be logging to your Lowe's account, and you have access to all the features that Lowe's has to offer. Yeah, that's it. It's very simple. I told you it's a very simple step. Still, if you have any queries regarding this video, please do not hesitate to comment in the comment section down below. We will be more than happy to help you in there. I hope this tutorial was helpful. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel Tech Basics. That's it. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.